Flash update. Still got some vampire killers. Walking to the sky. Giving us big packs of mega willows. Little trunk snaps. Case of them new sneaker ears, STS, brand new this year. Bangers, little ball shells. I think them red apple or some shit. It's 40 old Rockets. I know like these for like 2 or 3 years. Might just like one this year. Figure it out. What's in this case? Gang of miscellaneous, double Jeopardies, Jurassic crackers. That's just empty. This is Mike Tyson shell. Yeah, one Mike Tyson left. Red and greens. A huge baby. Some Don't Panic. Some more red crackers right there. Venom. This is my miscellaneous box. Throw stuff in there when I don't need it. Got that Squid Games. I had a Squid Games too. I let my boy get it, but should get another one. A case of Warheads, Nunyan. Some Hound Dogs. A Burn to the Dawn, more red and green. Some Ghostbusters. Some that I can't show right there. Agent of Boom. What's the Maniac shells in there too? Justice League 2, Phone System, Creamy. This is a consumer box, little red apple cakes, just let off sometimes, don't want to throw. This is my favorite right here. Got them in the file, whole case of those. Gotta grab those every year I can. I think I got one more box under here. Carolina Coast, It, Don't Panic, Outbreaks down there, Rambos, unopened Trump Mega Snaps. Some little fountains, I believe. Fountain. And got a gang of 3-inch tubes at the bottom. It's not done yet, coming along. Not so it's been a little bit of crazy year, but we're gonna get there. I think we're 20 days out from the 4th. Should be a good one. 100 shot Willow Madness 1.4 Pro. Big boy 49 shot Master Nishiki. Some Shidori box. Boys.